If you're new to our channel, I'm Ashley and this is Colin. We work 9 to 5 jobs and travel every chance we get. In 2020, we bought an old van and converted it to continue traveling around the US when the world shut down. At the start of 2021, we decided we wanted to explore more of the sea. So we started a business and converted as many vans as we could until finally being able to afford our first boat. Come along with us as we start this new journey.
We are taking a little break from boat work. We're down here in Miami. It's hot as hell. We're here at the Formula One race. This little birthday, Christmas, anniversary present Ashley got for me this year.
I know it's gonna be like this, why not?
Yeah, it's like 90 something degrees, almost no wind. There's a little bit of wind, but not a lot, and a ton of sun. So we're here at the race. We're off to go find our seats really far away from where we got dropped off. It's day 2 of the race. Qualifying is tonight. We're going to the beach this morning. We haven't been to Miami in quite a while. The beach itself.
Yeah. To relax a little bit.
Yeah.
And cool off because it's freaking hot at the race.
Yeah, we're going before it gets hot. We're also in search of a hat because this is not cutting it.
A little avocado.
What did you find, Ashley?
I think it's avocado.
Ashley's loving this Airbnb. There's so much fruit variety and
there's a mango tree, and I think this is an avocado tree.
I think avocado.
Avocado.
It's pretty big. So our first stop today is going to be the famous Haulover Inlet, just because I want to see it, and it's like 10 minutes up the road. You can't not stop. Hopefully we see some bow smashing going on. And then we're off to the beach. We have finally made it to the beach. Haulover Inlet was kind of a bust. There was too many people there and the waves were not big. So we're gonna hang out here at like Hobie Beach or something. I'll put it down below. And then we're gonna head back to the track later this afternoon for qualifying.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Kevin Magnussen, Mick Schumacher, and Gunther Steiner. Gunther Steiner, ladies and gentlemen. Do you two feel like these roadies whenever you go anywhere? Is that what it feels like? Yeah, I've got to say. Gunther, welcome to the Haas Hangout. Great to have you here. In fact, let's focus on that because the Schumacher name, it's such an iconic name in the sport. Do you find that you kind of carry a little bit of that weight as you go into each race and each weekend?
No, it's only motivation, right? You want to see that name up top, and that's my aim.
That's exactly what we like. Ladies and gentlemen, Mick Schumacher.
So we got our gifts, which are a hat and a signed Miami poster by both the drivers. So that's kind of fun. Yeah, so we're
in the team.
Qualifying is over. Haas is 13th and 14th, I think. They're struggling. So apparently there's a big problem with their radio today, not communicating, which stuff happens in technology if anyone works in technology.
I mean, they're doing better this year than they've ever done, so.
Yeah, we're excited.
We came this year, yeah.
Yep. So tomorrow we have the actual race and we have our seats, which we're gonna bake in the sun. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this hat because it is hot and the sun is intense. So we're headed back to our Airbnb. We're headed back to our Airbnb right now, and we're gonna get ready for tomorrow, the big race day. It is race day.
This car
Ashley forgot his carbonated water. We're super excited. It's gonna be hot. I think it's supposed to be like 96 today or something. So we're ready for it.
When these cars come by at speed, it's tough to keep it focused. Yeah, exactly right. You get a little boring. These drivers are leaning back and forth. They get temperature into the tires. You'll also see them applying the brakes, getting temperature into these cars and brakes. There has to be a certain temperature before they work, because they got a heavy braking system to first turn. So they're going to have to be cautious about that. But he needs to make good. But there's not a top through that. Second spot right now. And wonder why it's so good. Just think of Adrian. He is the genius.
That is the race.
Incident.
That's it. We're one of the last people out for the night. We had a blast. The race was awesome. And next time you see us, we'll probably be on the boat.
Hemos iniciado. Final. Other race with the heat, Carlos moving and sliding a lot, but in the end we got what we deserve, I think, and we should start this country. But we can finish up here.
Big old crowd.
You're on the podium.